If you have created ReCaptcha keys for your website in the past and you want to use the key again on the same website, maybe you're creating a new page and you want to use the secret key, but you realize that the previous key you pasted on your website is no longer visible. Now you want to get a key on the console.cloud.google's website. You might realize that that process of getting it is a little bit complex, especially if you are not used to the interface. So what I want to do right in this video is I want to show you the step-by-step process on how you'll be able to get a key so that you can use it on the same website. So I'm in the console.cloud.google.com. So right here you can see I'm already logged in. On the top here you can see I have a Ojas web main site. That is the exact one I'm going to be using for this demonstration. However, if you have already created keys for multiple websites, maybe you have a website 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If you want to select a specific website, this is where you have to select it. So you just go ahead and click on this and then you see all the websites right here. These are the 3 projects I have. So we're going to be using the one that is selected right here. So let's cancel this. And now we are back to the interface here. So the first thing I will do is I'll go ahead and click on dashboard. So immediately I click on dashboard, you can see the interface comes up, and this can be a little bit overwhelming if you are not used to the interface. So what I want to do next is I want to look at the left menu right here. I will scroll to the bottom a little bit, and then right on the security, I will click on it. So from the security, that is where I'll be able to locate the key for this particular website I'm working on. So I'm on the security page right here. We still have a lot of menus available right here. So let's scroll to the bottom a little bit, and now under the detections and control, we're going to click on fraud defense. So I click on it, then it's going to come up. So you can see it's loading. So now on this particular page, this is where we're going to be able to find the key for this particular account. I mean the website I want to get a key for. So we are in the fraud defense, and you can see we have the dashboard, we have key, we have attack, and we have recommendations. By the way, this might have been moved around depending on the time you are watching the video, but if you follow the process, you should still be able to get your keys for your website. So now let's go ahead and click on keys. So immediately I click on keys, the website is here. So I can see the website I want to get a key for. Now if you want to create another key, you can go ahead and create another key for the same website. You can see that this is the selected project. Now if you create another key, that means you are creating key for this project. So now if I want to create more key, I just go ahead and click on create key, but that is not the purpose of this video. I want to go ahead and view the existing key because I'm going to be using it on the same website. So now let's go ahead and click on key details. So immediately I click on key details right here, you'll see the key detail is right here, and this is the ID. So this is the ID, but this is not the secret key. So we still need the secret key in order for me to be able to use the ReCaptcha on my website. So you might start wondering, where is the secret key? If you look around, you probably will not see it right on the screen. So if you want to see the secret key, what you have to do is just to go ahead and click on edit key. So this is the button right here. Depending on the time, it might have been moved to another place. So when you see the edit key, just go ahead and click on it. So I click on it, and then you see the information is right here. We have the ID, and this is the same thing as the ID you're seeing right at the center of the screen. Now let's look at the secret key right here. This is the secret key. It is hidden by default. So what you can do is go ahead and click on reveal, and immediately you click on reveal, the key comes up, and now you have the clipboard icon right here. You can go ahead and copy your key, and you'll be able to use it on your website. So this is how you can go ahead and copy the keys if you already created your ReCaptcha keys and you want to use the same key again. Just follow this process and you'll be able to copy the keys and you can use it on the same website. Now let me tell you, this particular key is custom to this particular website you're seeing right here. So in case you are trying to use the same key across multiple websites, it might not work. So what you can do is to go ahead and create a new project and create different keys for different websites. And when you do that, you'll be able to get a key specific for that website, and you can start protecting your website from spam attacks. So I believe with this instruction, you'll be able to get your existing ReCaptcha key. So once again, the process is to go ahead and go to console.cloud.google.com. And when you get there, you go straight to the security. Let me go to the beginning again. From console.cloud.google.com, you go straight to the dashboard. So on the dashboard, you go straight to the security, and on the security, you go straight to the fraud detection. And from that fraud defense, you will be able to see the key information. You click on the key, then you click on key details, and then you click on edit key right here, and you'll be able to see your key information. So that is what I have for you in this video. If you have any question, go ahead and drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video and share with your friends and family who might be looking for the same information. Thanks once again, and bye for now.